Okay, we are live. So automatically screens are also shared. Okay. And there are no videos also on N10. So better to learn documentation and do it. We'll do N10. So this week though, I'll try to complete this. One last project we'll do on MLOps. Then we'll, because many other projects are the cube flow we have to learn. Cube flow is used extensively for MLOps. Then Astro ML, ML flow is also there. Once again, we have to use ML flow. Minikube
Yeah.
we'll use for deployment and all. Because see, right now,
Mostly no one use for the
no,
company purpose.
nobody use. Okay,
Because
so I'll remove cube
it
flow.
is-
We will use
Yeah.
KTS. All. So today we'll be doing project on. Okay, we'll be doing MLOps project 3. That is Titanic survival prediction. Okay, so this is a simple machine learning prediction project. Okay, but the reason why we have taken this is very simple. Okay, so in this project now we are going to learn many other things also integrated with this. Okay, so the agenda included in this project is like we will be using ETL pipeline, using airflow. Okay, ETL pipeline using airflow. So this is the work of a data engineer actually, but still we will understand how they work. Okay, so ETL stands for extract, transform and load. Okay, extract, transform and load. So right now we are not MNC, like we are not Google, so we don't have that ETL pipeline, but still using Astro Apache Airflow we will create a pipeline. What we will do, right now we will use Google Bucket as a source. From there we will take the pipeline and we'll put it in the database. This pipeline we will create, take from this automation. Okay, take from Google Bucket. I'll write a airflow script using Python today. This data is taken and it is transferred to PostgreSQL database. Then from Postgres we will do data ingestion, data pre-processing, data cleaning, and we will host this particular project. Okay, so far what we were doing is like directly from Google Buckets we were taking data, but today we'll create that pipeline. Okay, from Google Bucket we'll put it in the database. Okay, this pipeline. Then one more feature we are going to learn is feature store implementation. Okay, feature store. Okay, so there is a beautiful concept on this feature store. Okay, it's nothing but, see, whenever, what are features, we know it is columns. X and Y columns will be there. Okay, imagine a data is now at the stage that it needs more training. Your data has become obsolete. Okay, you have trained your data only till 2020. Okay, and it is not able to do prediction for 2025 because your model is trained only till here, so your data is obsolete. The feature, so feature store implementation will make sure that the data is put again and retraining is happening of the model. ChatGPT is trained in such way only. See, ChatGPT na, it when GPT-3 was released, okay, it was trained only till 2021. The questions, if you ask 2022's question, it was not able to answer. So model is trained only that thing. So using this particular technology, that is feature store implementation, okay, in MLOps particularly, okay, we can retrain the model and update the model. Okay, and MLOps guys should know. So the third thing which is important in this project is ML monitoring. So ML monitoring, we used to not monitor. So in two projects, what we did directly Google Cloud Run. Second is we deployed in Kubernetes. So in this we will monitor also. Okay, using Grafana, Prometheus, Grafana. Okay, so machine learning monitoring it will be. We will be monitoring machine learning models now. Okay, in DevOps we monitor the website and all those things, CPU usage and all those things. So in this particularly pertaining to machine learning, we are going to integrate that. Okay, so this is the agenda. Okay, so now the data set, so we will be using Titanic data set survival prediction. Okay, basically, let me introduce about the data set. Okay, so data set we'll be using is Titanic survival prediction. So it has to tell whether this guy survived or this guy did not survive. 0, 1 stands for he survived, 0 stands for he did not survive. Okay. So simple data set, but the agenda is like not, it is not data set oriented or it is not project oriented as such. So this particular project is like learning the agendas, like creating ETL pipelines, okay, using feature store and ML monitoring. Okay. Think. Okay. So now let us design the workflow. So in N8N also there is something called as workflow we have to design. So how would be the flow of the project? Like first the code will be pushed, okay, then one agent will be deployed here. Second, Jenkins will be integrated, another agent. So in this also let us design the workflow, okay. So what we are going to do in this project, first is like database setup. So in today's practical now, we will be using SQL database, okay, to store our columns. Okay. Second, we will be using ETL pipeline. ETL data engineering pipeline. So for this now, we will be using Astro Airflow. Okay, Astro Airflow. So we have used Composer, right, in that project.
Yeah.
Composer we had used. Okay, we had used Composer has a continuous training pipeline, but here we are going to use for data pipeline. So we will push our database setup. We will use Google Cloud as a source. From here we will pull our data in Astroflow. Then we will deploy our data in database, that is Postgres. Okay, once this is done, okay, as we know we have already done data ingestion. We will be ingesting data from the Postgres, and this Postgres will be in the Docker. We will be using Docker container for Postgres, not our local storage. Okay, see, because we are using Astro DB now, Astro needs Linux machine, Linux or Mac OS. Okay, Astro. So since we don't have this Linux machine, but you can use Mac, I'll be creating a Docker container. Docker container, and inside this I'll be running this Astro Airflow. Okay. Of course, then from here now I'll be sending data to Postgres. From there I'll do the data ingestion. I'll get all the data. Then same thing, Jupyter notebook testing, notebook testing we'll be doing. Okay. Then we will, then here we will be using feature storage. Feature storage, feature store. For this, we will be using Redis database. Redis is a NoSQL database. Very important to store machine learning models, artifacts. Okay, we can use it for multiple purpose. For automation, Redis plus, see, we had done one project actually. We used AWS Chalice plus Redis automation once again. Okay, so Chalice is like same like Lambda function, serverless. So serverless. Okay, we have used serverless with database. So for best automation, Redis is used. So Redis can replace MongoDB. Okay, because of its speed of processing speed in database is very high when it comes to Redis. Okay, so for feature store we are going to use Redis in this practical. Okay, then of course model training, same thing. Okay, model training as we did it in the previous practical. Model training, then training pipelines. Okay, then of course once the model is trained, you are using GitHub and DVC. Okay, GitHub for code storage, DVC for data storage. Okay, we can, last time we had DVC pull and all we had done. Okay, so this thing, and last we'll be using ML monitoring. One super practical. Okay, but the main thing is like we are going to integrate this agenda. Okay, it is about, okay, these things we are going to integrate: ETL pipeline, feature storage, and ML monitoring. Okay, so Titan survival, it's a very easy project, but the main focus would be integrating these things. Okay,
So you can just get to the remote
so should I off it?
and switch on the fan. Remote. You can switch off fan.
This fan, no? Okay. So right now, though we don't have company database. Okay, so we will mimic this. This is company DB. Okay,
Color change.
हाँ, black. तो white white होगा इसमें.
Red, red. Dark orange.
Okay, this will be a GCP bucket. Okay,
इसी का कलर चेंज कर दो
हाँ,
बॉक्स का कलर चेंज कर दो आज ना कलर चेंज करने
रंदे छोड़, इसके लिए होता है. Then this is ETL. Okay, so when we are performing these kind of operations, na, basically there are two types. Okay, one is ETL, another is data streaming. So this works in real time. Data streaming works in real time. Okay, so there will be company database, or this can be a source. From source we will temporarily store it some bucket, and from there we will perform ETL. Okay, when it comes to data streaming now, we use Kafka. Okay, suppose one real-time example I'll give. Whenever we are booking a cab, okay, automatically the streaming happens across all the cab drivers who are there to accept the request. This is also a application of ETL, sorry, data streaming. Data streaming completely Kafka is used. Okay, but that is the work of a data engineer. Okay, we need not have to work. Message queue. Okay, this is so in today's practical we are going to use ETL. Okay, from source. So since we don't have source, okay, we will think that this is the source. From this, okay, we will extract, load, and transform. So since we are dealing with CSV files, okay, Postgres SQL does not understand CSV files. Okay, so whatever we extract, okay, it has to be transformed first. I mean, CSV should be converted into SQL, then load it in SQL database. Understanding, right? Okay, so whenever we are dealing with, see, machine learning data sets are mostly in SQL, CSV formats. When we are performing ETL operations, okay, we have to transform and then load it. Transform is what? Convert the data type from CSV to SQL and load it in the Postgres SQL. So this will be performed in Astro Airflow. Okay. So I think rest all things are okay, fine. Not much is there in this. So let's directly move on to practicals. Okay. So the first part, please open your Google. I hope the data is streaming. Okay. Please open Google Cloud. मैं तुम्हारा है मेरा ले लो मेरा लिया था ना उस दिन वो इस ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए तुम्हारा वो एंड्रॉइड ओके MFA for free tier also they are using MFA I guess. Okay, open Google bucket. Hmm. Hmm. This is unexpected. नहीं ना हुआ ना two step. One is Google prompt, another is phone number. Uh, enable किया ना मैंने
चल रहा था क्या? लगता है मैंने इसमें लॉगिन किया कि इसमें रिस्क हो गया।
क्या की शायद
तो मैं नहीं सकता और सिक्योरिटी देखो ना,
ऐसा रहना सिक्योरिटी।
हार्ड सिक्योरिटी मांगना, खुद ही लॉकडाउन होता है इंसान। टू फैक्टर ऐसा है, अगर आप बैकअप पिन भूल गए तो
हाँ।
आप खुद नहीं खोल पाओगे अपना।
करेक्ट।
ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप में जो आया होगा ना,
We need to add everything, no, na?
sorry,
Only three is fine, no? Authentication.
3 years was not required. Second only. One more you need to authenticate it. That's all.
When I did it, it did not take actually. Okay. So storage. So we'll create one more bucket. Okay. Titanic survival project 3. Continue. Okay, okay. Share the screen. So we'll create a bucket, Titanic survival project 3. Okay. Then other things will remain the same. Mm, create. So this will be the bucket name. Okay. So data sets, though easily we can get it in internet. Just type Titanic dataset Kaggle. Okay. I'll share it, download it and share. I think I have it. 1 minute. तुम्हारे पास नहीं है टाइटैनिक डेटा सेट?
नहीं वो मैं तो उससे लिखा है एसएनएस का।
So please upload the data set, the GCP bucket. Uploaded.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will create a service account, a new service account. Please go to IAM. भाई upload करे आया screen cloud आ रहा.
इसमें है
हम्म create the service account. MLOps hyphen project 3. MLOps hyphen project 3. Titanic. Titanic. Then create and continue. We'll select owner access. Then same thing. Uh, storage object viewer. Storage object admin.
Permission क्या?
हम्म? नहीं मैं बना देता हूँ तो ना की बेचता हूँ. You use that same key. You don't have to create. Okay, and done.
The plans be.
Hmm. So I'll generate the key also for this. So please go to actions, manage keys, add key, create new key, JSON, close it. Okay. So the key has been downloaded. Okay. So to verify, we'll go to IAM and check whether all the three things are present. Okay, owner, storage object admin, and actually I could have used the older one. Still, we'll do it once again. No problem. Okay, please come to storage and please assign the access to your bucket. Okay, attach the service account. Edit access. Add principal. Just type your service account name MLOps project 3. Okay, then you can assign storage object, storage admin role, storage admin, and one more storage object, storage object viewer. Okay, yeah, this setup is done. So we had done the same setup in the previous. Now what new we are going to do? Okay, you have Docker desktop installed. This you have now. So Nihal, what you do? Will download Docker desktop. So I'll download this Docker desktop. Okay. Okay, until then we will create a project setup. Okay, please come to your MLOps directory and create a new project called as survival prediction. Okay, create a new project. Any may we have done now. So next project is create a new project folder altogether. Okay, survival prediction. Right click,
मेरे को डॉक्टर नहीं है, कंटिन्यू कर दो।
डॉकर नहीं है।
स्टोरेज नहीं है।
Open your project in VS Code. Okay, done now. We will come down. Then same thing. What we are going to do is creating the virtual environment. Very important step. Okay, and activating it. Okay, so right now it is in command prompt. Okay, just type command python -m venv space venv. Enter. Okay, this will create a virtual environment here. Okay, and activate it. So it will take some time to create virtual env. Okay, it is done. Now time to activate. Okay, venv /script /activate. So the virtual environment is activated. We will create files requirements dot txt like pandas numpy. Okay, for time being. Then we created setup.py file now first. I'll copy the code. Setup.py. This file. So this project is Titanic underscore survival prediction. Okay, now we can type pip install -e dot. So this will look for requirements.txt and we will try installing all the packages, whatever we write. Okay. Please create one more file called as setup.py and write from setup tools, import setup, find packages with open. All the requirements are open and find packages is a function which will find and it will install requirements. Okay. We have done it already. I think my Docker is installed till there. Just check.
आपने रिमूव कर दिया थे क्या?
हाँ
आपने
बहुत
हटा दिया?
स्पेस खाता हो।
तो 3 जीबी ले रहा है पूरा।
3 GB न में 15 GB लेता डॉकर इंजिन डिलीट कर दिया मैंने और एक बार install this Docker because we are going to run this pipeline in the local system only, so that in cloud also we can do same thing. Okay. इसका ले हो अन्वी का लैपटॉप 2 मिनट में होगा इंस्टॉल. I don't know how long it will take. Okay, the setup.py have you written, Sana? Son? Okay, so my Docker is installed. I'll delete this exe file. Simply 600 MB it will take. Zero by. So let me keep my engine on Docker desktop.
आपको कितने स्टोरेज 512 पट्टी
At site well.
राइट you
Huh?
this man storage that the speed driver is like
So I'll log in from my Docker account. एटलीस्ट कोडिंग पार्ट करो मैं बोलता हूँ
लेकिन कुछ नहीं वो गूगल क्लाउड में अपना पड़ेगा।
Google Cloud मतलब बोल रहा हूँ मैं सर्विस का मिला तो
One second. Only 1 second. When do you want to? आप चाहिए आपको?
तो ये
आप भी चाहिए आपको?
ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
5 minutes दे दो। Bye.
Stop. These are all
Last time,
requirements have.
you asked only the first two, right?
It's okay. We are going to use other also for the practical demonstration I used. So I have started my engine, Docker engine. Okay. Now, please go to Google and type Astro Airflow uh, CLI install. Okay. Astro Airflow CLI install. Come to this astronomer website. Okay, you will find installation for Mac. Okay, for Windows now, Windows with Winget. I'll select this installation with Windows with Winget. Manually also I can install. Podman have you used? Podman,
More than some basic things.
basic things.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that one is not basically like freshers and all they teach. Productions and all
They don't. So this requires Podman astronomer. This select Mac. Okay, brew install.
Yeah.
Astro I can do. I'll select this command and open my terminal. Okay, click on this. Oh, Witnigate is not recognized.
Maybe PowerShell.
PowerShell I'll use. Let's see. Uh, has administrator. Okay, it is asking. So we need to run PowerShell as administrator. Mm, we didn't get. Okay, no problem. No issues. I'll use ChatGPT.
What about this one? Yeah, he didn't get.
No. There is a pin for that. Yeah. You need to attach that and you can use. No need of wire.
Oh, this
Wireless
one.
it is.
Yeah, that's it. It's like, I didn't check. I want it.
Huh. Windows to support it. Install app installer. Okay. So if you don't have Wingate now, we'll do like this. We'll install from Microsoft. It is installed actually. Click get and install. Download the image manually if store blocked. Okay. Wingate is not recognizing actually. Wingate is required. Without Wingate, I cannot install this. See.
Install it after we will install.
मैं इसमें आ रहा Wingate.
क्लोज करके करो क्लोज पूरा पूरा क्लोज करो और रीओपन करो वो विंडोज पावर शेल ना सर्च से क्लोज यहाँ से रन है
ये क्लोज करो.
इसको क्लोज कर दो करो यहाँ से search करके
किया था मैंने
पावर
इसे.
शेल राइट क्लिक ये दैट क्या है
ओ आता हो वो डिसेबल करना हो. और
आ रहा
this path was not added.
हाँ.
Windows apps. Podman. It is downloading Podman container service.
ऐसे बात ऐड करना है क्या इसमें
मेरे इसमें नहीं था एक्चुअली. Then Astro version you type. Let's see.
Astro version is checked. It's showing.
Yeah.
It's not showing. CLI is the CLI version.
Make sure the Docker container is running. Okay. Docker container is up. Okay. Is done. So I'll just type Astro version
So high connection using.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, type of command. Then कोई वापस जाओ.
इधर कर नहीं सकते
Check करो.
वर्जन
Astro equals. No, no. Astro.
वर्शियो हो
Astro.
ये चलता
चलेगा.
हाँ आ रहा 1.3.6 सेम वर्जन ना 1.3.6
1.36.
36 okay. Now come to VS Code. We will create other files also. We had created artifacts, then conf. Yes, sorry, I created a file. Create folder, okay. T src src. Okay. Then config. Okay. Then we have utils. We'll create a file underscore init. So, because I want Python to treat this as a package. SRC also same thing. Okay. Create a file inside init underscore dot py. Utils also underscore init underscore dot py. Then from the previous same code we will pick. Okay. Once again we are not going to write the code. I'll upload this. So enemy recommendation. Okay. SRC custom logger and logger.py. Okay. So logger.py, same thing, and custom exception inside SRC. Okay. Logger.py, custom exception.py. One more pipeline directory also we need pipeline. So these files needs to be created. Okay, in the previous project we had written this under SRC we had written logger.py custom exception.py. SRC not required, I think. SRC only source directory. Okay. This part is done. And these files you have now?
Yeah, the complete SRC.
Okay. To complete, you can remove other data ingestion code and all you can remove. Now, please come to your terminal. I'll kill the terminal and reopen it once again. Okay, so I'll make sure I'm in command prompt. Okay, okay. So now, Docker container is running. Okay, just type Astro version once again.
ये virtual environment लेगा.
नहीं नहीं वर्चुअल वो बाहर से इंस्टॉल किया था ना.
हाँ
Maybe I
तो
need to
आपने दोनों
restart
बार
this. Okay, I'll close and restart it.
हाँ उसको रिस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा
So close your
restart
VS Code.
हाँ
Okay. And once again, you can just type, come inside your project. Code space dot. Okay. So now type Astro. So dev init. So this will install all the packages required for Astro. Okay. Astro dev in it. Enter. Server prediction not are you? Yes. Okay. So can you see includes pipeline, plugins, config as .astro config.yaml, many files, docker ignore files. Okay.
All the
Docker file is also
different
yeah.
files.
So this is the beauty of SDK. In it directly it will bring all the packages.
वो Astro
Astro ka. You got now all this. You should see
Yes.
Docker file, this thing, that thing, and all. Okay. So now what we will do, we had downloaded that service account ना भाई मैं बेचता हूँ तुम्हारा service account. Okay. From Google we had downloaded this service account. I'll make it GCP underscore key. Okay. And I need to pass this service account inside include directory. Okay. Need to pass this in the include directory. So can you see include here? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Inside that, pass your service account key. Now inside astro.astro, now you will find config.yaml. Okay. This is the project name. I need to write one more deployment. Executor clergy name. Wait, I'll send you. I have this. So this I lost it.
inside that dot Astro
Inside dot astro. YAML. इसका हुआ दी हो लैपटॉप पर.
वो काम करो कोई नहीं यार
Okay. Please paste it here and save it config.yaml. So this is basically to run the Docker image Astro. Okay.
So what we did?
Inside astro.astro, you will find this config.yaml.
Yeah.
Okay. Please paste this YAML script. I have sent it in WhatsApp. Okay, basically this will run the Astro UI. Hmm. I have sent it in WhatsApp. Sir.
Software is not ready. In Git,
So tested.
yeah. And key should be pasted in.
Key should be pasted in include. Inside include.
For me, the drag and drop is not happening.
So manually, I think it will happen. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Sure, sure. We can have that. Tuesday and Thursday I'll be free now. Because other day, yeah, that is unoccupied. Okay. I'll discuss with, I need to come or we need their authority. Sure, sure. Okay, ma'am. I'll check with HR and I'll let you know. Put a message. Sure. Thank you. I'm taking class actually. I typical. No issues, no issues. I'll message you. Okay. 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 Done.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so go to Docker file. Okay, you will already find this from Astro. Something will be there. Azure ECR. It is taking actually. .io runtime. Okay. So write a command here. Run pip install Apache Airflow providers from Google inside the Docker file. Pip install Apache Airflow providers Google. because we are using Apache Airflow. Okay, so we will install it when the Docker image is getting built, and save it. Control S. Make sure you're saving it. There should not find any kind of white that round one. Now come to terminal. Okay, just type astro dev start. Make sure your Docker file is running at the back end. Okay, and enter. So this will start building the image. Astro dev start. Astro airflow. Yeah.
कोई आ गया
So उनका ही है वो astro में कंपनी है ना उनका ही इसीलिए उसका building the image.
Yeah, actually.
So this will build image. See, it is very simple. When we do astro div init, na, every packages, what all are required is completely extracted in our project folder. We need to install Apache Airflow in the Docker container.
Yeah.
We can run this easily. In virtual machine also same thing. Since that WinGet is there, so using the local machine.
सबको जो है एक
So astro ये करो question.
स्टोर
Question. Open करके close करो. Being project image. So if I open Docker container, images are not there.
ये हुआ स्टोर पर जो हुआ
Astro dev init computer.
या what is it
Astro dev. Base में है development activate करो. Survival predictions. Dev start. No liquid. By now it should have over. Depends on.
Yeah, probably it's game. Airflow.
Okay, am I running? Okay, please open localhost 8080.
Yeah, it's already open.
Already open.
Yeah, yeah. Correct. Oh, anyway, CLA only we are using everywhere. That's what. You guys should be the first case to go actually.
We have a GPU laptop.
Okay.
That GPU laptop I've given him.
This
Uh,
खतरनाक game.
but
505.
see how much time it is taking.
No, it's faster.
This is M3 or M4?
M4.
M4 fast. So default, it did not ask to log in.
No.
No. Okay, no problem. I had built on it asked me to log in actually. Let's see. Bhai Aja. Ah,
On to next.
mm,
Need to access the socket in a way forbidden by
exposing
or
port
by the
TCP.
access permission.
Attempt was made to access a socket in a way forbidden by its access. Okay. I think I have Postgres already installed.
Local listening install maybe the user permission that it is telling.
But port issue on that.
The telling port.
Recreated starting the project. Error response from daemon ports are
Ports are not
not
available. Okay.
exposing port.
Just try extract. Is that working? Extract table in your
For Windows, no, I'll check it. Ah, default it is in use actually in my system. So what I have to do? Find. Okay, it is already listening. I'll disable it. Wait. Let's start. So is if it is listening? It shows something like the local engine and to free the port. Okay, stop or whatever version you have installed. I think I have 16 like this. Postgres 16. Uh,
Root. Root.
root, that's what. Administrator. So 15, 16.
Then
Okay. Now again it will build the image, na?
uh,
4 years ago. Okay. So automatically it is taking, don't have to pass this. Come to admin, click on connections. Okay, the UI is updated. See, so awesome it is. DAX. Actually, data engineer people use this a lot.
yeah.
We are only doing everything. We'll bring data, we will send it to there, from there again we'll do this. Come to admin, connection, okay, add connection, connection ID. I want to connect Google Cloud with this thing, so I'll give Google Cloud. Connection type Google Cloud. Okay, description, fetching data from Google Cloud and dumping in Postgres. Mm, okay. Why it is asking us? Wait 1 minute. Google underscore cloud. Here we need to pass a service account actually. Key, I think. Paste GCP key. Admin and password and save it. Connection type.
We're going to keep the key.
Key you will get it in this.
Field JSON.
Hmm. Field JSON.
Okay, save.
Save it. Postgres is not there, no? Here. Connection ID. Postgres. Postgres SQL underscore default.
Adding another connection.
Huh?
Adding one more connection.
One more connection. From this we have to add there, na? So pipeline. So here, na, there is no Postgres actually. Postgres, I think I need to install it in the container once again. Come to Docker file. Okay, one more command. Run pip install Apache Airflow Fun Provider Fun Postgres. Save it, and once again we have to Save it and run it. Astro dev start.
Finally, did not get the
It is installed in your pip install Postgres. That's why I cannot see that connection actually. Postgres is not here. पहले से भी आता था अब यूआई चेंज करे ना तो मैं लाइव
मेरे को कह रहे थे ये फाइल दे देना, मैं इंटीग्रेट करके देखता हूँ।
भेजा नहीं
ये पूरी फाइल बनानी पड़ेगी मेरे को कैसे?
कौन सा फाइल
कॉन्फ़िग वगैरह तो ये वाला उठा के दे दो, सर्वाइवल प्रोटेक्शन एंड इंटरनेट करके देखो। वो कॉन्फ़िग फाइल आर्टिफैक्ट्स
और व्हाट्सएप है उसमें
गांधी है ना,
उसमें है इंटीग्रेटेड है
इंटीग्रेटेड व्हाट्सएप है, उसे पूछ के चालू करूँगा इसे ओपन नहीं कर सकते भेजूंगा गांधी को भेजूंगा
You guys are joining the venture. Then going with Akka.
Where?
अकाउंट is sponsor ना,
Huh? Yeah, Akka only is sponsored.
let's do it।
भाई हम भी देंगे
चलो ना, ये आपका इसको लग रहा है सेपरेट भी आता हो
यूट्यूब पे हो
No, now we are going. She wants to go home.
हम इधर जाएंगे शावई
शावी चलो शावी
What?
शावी
Okay, Dash, please.
शावी
300 rupees per hour.
Now it's coming to process also.
With this, now many integrations we can do. BigQuery, whatever Google's cloud services are there, just install it and it's done. Okay. So come to admin connections, add new connections. Postgres default. Yes, Postgres. Okay. Host to port 5432. I think other things are okay.
Credentials are installed.
Credential admin. No, no, no. Credential for this is na Postgres. Postgres. Host na we need to paste the host. Go inside your Docker container. Go to container. Click on the container. You'll find Postgres. Copy this URL. This is our host actually. I need to paste it here. Host. Save it. That's it. Okay, so two connections are now created. Now we will write the code. Okay, we'll do scratch coding. Okay, I'll show you how to connect this thing and that thing. You will find DAX folder. Okay, and I will create a Python file called as extract data from GCP. GCP cp.py. Okay, from airflow import dag ag. Okay, we don't have this airflow package. तुमने नहीं भेजा ना मैं
We need to add.
इसमें कैसा भेजोगे उसका व्हाट्सएप है
हाँ,
व्हाट्सएप है उसमें ठीक है उनको उसके वो भेजो 1 मिनट सेंड और भाई 3
सर्वाइव कर पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे?
मैं सर्वाइवल बोल के
सर्वाइवल पूरे सर्वाइव कर जाएगा आपके लैपटॉप.
okay so go to requirements airflow save it pip install -e dot. Okay, sorry. Actually, it is Apache Airflow. Just type Apache Airflow in the requirements. And come back to extract data from gcp.py. And send this code better. I've sent the code. So copy this Postgres host, okay, and paste it here. Project 3 survival prediction. I have shared this code
WhatsApp.
on WhatsApp. Please create extract data from gcp.py file inside DAX. Okay, and we need to write this code. Postgres underscore default only, the connection name. Okay, let me verify it once again. Underscore default, okay. चारो ठीक है, मैं फोन करता हूँ, फोन करो एक बार. Please give your bucket name here, inside bucket where GCP buckets are present. Okay, this is my bucket name. So here now we should replace your bucket name. Bucket name. bucket. Okay, we need to add SQL alchemy also in requirement. Requirement. Pip install -e. Connection name दिया. Titanic survival project. Okay, Titanic data set to load to SQL. Titanic data set to CSV. So directly this particular airflow, na, it will take data from GCP bucket and put it in the Postgres SQL. Okay. Then the modification you need to give your this thing bucket name here. Okay, in bucket wherever there is bucket, na, give your GCP bucket. मेरा दे सकते हो.
कंटेनर हो गया
नहीं नहीं, क्या नहीं कर सकता है. तो अपने आप को हो गया.
इसका चालू पानी
नहीं नहीं, ओके, क्या करना है? देखो थोड़ा देर तक. Bucket name only. Okay, so I will save this. I think other things are fine. Uh, Now, if I go to DAG में नहीं दिख रहा ना. is running now. Why it is not appearing here? It's like DAX only I have written. Can you see, Sanat? Here, that extract2.py.
Hello. Are you classroom? Are you classroom?
Unexpected keyword argument schedule underscore new it.
What is your
So where is that?
What is proper only? Right. Yeah, wait.
7 products, 7 products.
नोटबुक में करो.
हाँ?
नोटबुक में.
कोलैबोरेट?
हाँ, अब रन देना है, सभी नोटबुक में करो, इजी होता. नहीं तो इसमें ही नोटबुक कर बना सकते.
ये नहीं आया सर क्या इक्विलिब्रियम सिंस भी कैचिंग यूज से किया ना नहीं आया मेरे को करने के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना
ठीक है हुआ.
हाँ बाकी सब किया EPS भी रिवर्स सिंक
ठीक है. हाँ, फोन करो जाके.
हाँ सर spelling schedule underscore this one instead of that you spelling only schedule equal to
हाँ
schedule.
हाँ, remove that schedule.
हाँ.
Not that thing.
Now I think it is fine.
It's coming there.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this one? I don't know. Okay.
Underscore interval we can remove. Just schedule we can keep it.
Here, na?
Yeah. Underscore interval is remove. Yeah, this is it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Attributes have changed, I guess. Save it.
Refresh.
It's not coming only here.
Not it is coming. Okay, this is how it should come. Extract data. Run it. Run it and look for the figure. Look for the logs.
Pipeline. I have pipeline in even. Wait, I'll fix this. Not refreshed. Oh. Got success message.
Upstream fail.
Okay, check the logs. It has changed UI actually. Astro. The UI which I was using.
Can we run some comment here? CLI model something like that?
CLI. Um, CLI we can run. But if it was in cloud now, this cloud shell we could have used.
Okay.
Again, it is building image. File path slash tempo load to SQL. Titanic server. You bucket name you replace now properly. Sorry, second. Titanic. Titanic dataset.csv only. Should have practiced. What is the error you are getting? The task did not run because upstream task failed. Check your audit logs.
Okay. Okay. Absolute path.
No, only bucket name you have to give. Don't give path. You have to slash Titanic.
There is no bucket.
No, that is you have given path. No?
Yeah.
Slash you have given.
Yes.
Titanic data set. Data. It's 4 lines. We did not read CSV file path. Okay, it's doing. No more reader. Yeah, it's okay.
Doing blind error. Socket.
This you copy pasted this path Postgres
Yeah.
from your container only.
Yes.
Check properly add project.
Password at the rate, right?
Check this line.
Yes. Here it is.
Art is there, no?
At the rate.
Then this default this name connection name Connection name to check. This one, Postgres underscore default.
Okay, that is not the one. Okay. Where is the name?
The
Okay,
code.
okay, okay. Then that is something else I do.
Check the connection name.
Go
Go to admin. Okay. Connection.
PSK.
Oh, here. Save it. Run the attack once. Refresh the attack. Let's start it. नहीं चाह रहा इसमें वो लैपटॉप मेरा ये लैपटॉप में नहीं आ रहा
You are.
हाँ
What is happening for you?
mine the DAG is not getting created here
There is one more syntax things were there. Okay, so airflow from airflow hook dot base is the right.
हाँ
Underscore hook is not required.
underscore hook is not required okay only hook
No, hook completely no. Till base is enough. Try
okay
this.
okay हाँ
Okay, right.
nice let me run it oh failed show logs
Where are we seeing the overview?
Google huh here down view full logs there's some problem with the code I guess
I can't see the. Where are we seeing it? Okay, view full logs.
so actually the packages are deprecated we installed latest library na
Okay, for me something else. Again, I given the Google Cloud default name is different.
uh, it will fix it
Google Cloud.
connection id is undefined oh well cloud
From where is taking this connection?
Google underscore code. In the code only it is there.
Code is not there.
It's not there. Oh shit. No. By default it looks like called. It is not defined. Go to admin connection. Add a new record. Okay. Make sure the connection name is because I have defined connection name.
Where different? Here it's not there.
I think by default it takes. It has changed its UI actually. Wait,
Oh, by default, it same means
by
I given the name is different.
huh?
I give some different name.
Yeah, yeah. We need to change the connection name actually. Change this.
Google underscore default, yeah.
You cannot change it or what?
Connection name. Edit.
It is.
Name we can change.
Will do. We'll delete it. We'll create it once again.
Yes.
Add new connection.
New connection.
Google Cloud default.
G.
Google Cloud. Then host or not required. Extra schema will paste over this thing. GCP, this bucket. Where is that GCP key actually? We'll delete the key later. Include. Paste the key here.
Host.
Host is fine. Huh. There only you can keep now. Yeah, later we'll remove. I think this was the error. Add a new record. Key path scope. Key file path and scope. See, actually, when I was doing now, this key file path and scope was there, but in this UI, it's not found.
Did you upgrade it? Check again after the change.
No, I did not. You will see the error message. Okay, this happens when using. Okay, okay, message. Okay, save it.
Okay, this is running now. Okay, it's failed.
Connections. Add a new Google Cloud default. Okay, Google Cloud default only. Na Google Cloud default. There is no field. Let's fix it. No field. Okay. You're seeing type in your Astro or run. Even you found that the same thing, na?
That is gone now. That error after changing the path.
This so
Connection name.
no, no. This one here you are finding the same thing, na? There is nothing called as key path.
Key path is not there.
Actually, key path and scopes should be present. I don't know why they have changed the thing actually. Wait, let's fix it.
Key path, huh?
Key path. Hmm. Google WordPress isn't fully installed in your environment. Dev bash. because these three files are important: key file, path, JSON, scopes. Actually, it is not showing only. That's what. Exit. Astro dev. Restart. Requirement already satisfied. It is showing again. Nihal,
So, if there was only okay, should replace it.
See, my space also went. 30 MB.
वो 30 MB इधर आने वाला है मैसेज
Let me try.